Speaker 1.
It's hard to get comfortable with expressing yourself, especially when you're in high school. I've always been shy, but a couple of months ago a friend persuaded me to join the drama club, and I discovered that I really love acting. People are complex, but acting is a great way to explore the different parts of ourselves in a safe environment. For instance, by playing the role of an angry character in a school production, I can experiment with any anger that I might be feeling, or other emotions that I didn't even know I had. For me, it's a healthy way to work through my feelings.
Speaker 2.
I've been an avid walker for the last 20 years. To walk through a dense, beautiful forest is like nothing else. But what really draws me in is the opportunity to take some snapshots. I've always been captivated by the beauty of nature, but I could never quite put that feeling into words. Photography has changed everything. It takes my individual experience, captures it, and transforms it into something that says what I never could. I enjoy the peace and quiet too. Waiting patiently to catch that perfect moment has become a kind of meditation for me.
Speaker 3.
I'm an executive at a successful advertising agency. For me, self-expression is actually a big part of the job. To sell a product, I need to advertise it in a way that would appeal to me if I were a customer. So, when I create an ad, I channel my own feelings into it, from how I feel when I look at the product to the emotional response the name or slogan brings out in me. It's much more personal than people think. It's also a career and a creative outlet in one package, which I absolutely love.
Speaker 4.
For all of my working life, I worked at a bank. I enjoyed the work, but honestly, I hated having to wear a suit every day. My employer was strict too, so it was a black suit, white shirt, and a blue tie every day, no exceptions. It was so restrictive. When I retired, I've taken to wearing whatever I want, whenever I want. I just feel like myself when I wear bright, crazy colors, neon yellows, greens, and blues. I'm sure I look ridiculous, but who cares? I've never been happier.
Speaker 5.
I'm a fitness fanatic, so I'm constantly exercising. People often ask me, why do you love going to the gym 6 times a week? Sure, I like to look good and feel strong, but there's much more to it than that. It's an emotional outlet and a great way to de-stress. Depending on what I'm feeling, I'll express it through different exercises. For example, if I'm annoyed about something, I'll use that energy to lift some weights. For me, exercise is all about self-expression. It's a way of taking emotional responses and channeling them into something really constructive and healthy.